Now we will see a very first problem considering the standard 5 set of data under the line inclined to both the planes. The problem here is a line 70 mm long has one end is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The line is inclined at 35 degrees to HP and 40 degrees with respect to VP. Draw the projection of line. You see here how many data will be given to you: 70 number 1, 10 number 2, 20 number 3, 35 number 4, 40 number 5. So if you are given with 5 data, then only, as I said earlier, you can solve the problem. Suppose if you are given with only 4 data, that is less than 5 data, then you have to consider and assume one more data. Else, if you are given with more than 5 data, say for example 6 data, problem cannot be solved. So here the problem can be solved because you are given only with 5 data. These are the 5 data. Okay, so the first step will be always draw XY line. Okay, mark one end which is 10 above HP, 10 above XY line, 20 in front of VP, 20 below XY line. So mark A dash and A. This is one end. You marked one end. So this is one end projector. Okay, the next step will be you have to assume that the line is inclined only with respect to one plane and parallel to the other plane. To start with, assume that the line is inclined only with respect to HP but not with respect to VP. The line is inclined to 30 degrees inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Make this assumption for time being. With that assumption, draw the preliminary front view. Okay, assume the pi value is 0. So this is the preliminary front view, A dash B1 dash. So A dash B1 dash is nothing but the true length with an angle of theta 35. Draw a 35 degree line. On it mark B1 dash such that A dash B1 dash is equal to true length 70. This is called the preliminary front view. The preliminary front view will show the true length and true angle. The next step, complete the corresponding top view by drawing a projector from B1 dash horizontal line through A. So this is called preliminary front view set. So this is the standard step for the particular problem. Okay, so preliminary front view, corresponding top view, complete it. Okay, so one part is over. The other part, now you consider the line is inclined only with respect to VP and parallel to HP. That means consider 70 and pi 40 degree. You have to assume theta is equal to 0. With that assumption, draw the preliminary top view in the top view side. Through A, draw a 40 degree line to a length of 70. This is called preliminary top view line. A, draw a 40 degree line, on it mark B2 such that it is 70 mm. A B2 is equal to 70, that is true length of the line. Okay, this line A B2 is the preliminary top view line. Okay, since it shows true length and true angle pi 40 degree. So the preliminary top view is constructed. Now complete the corresponding other view, corresponding front view. How to do it? Draw a projector from B2, draw a horizontal line from A dash, thereby you will be getting the point B2 dash. Okay, draw a projector and horizontal line. So you obtain B2 dash. Okay, now you have completed preliminary front view set A dash, B1 dash, B1 and A, and you have completed preliminary top view set A, B2, B2 dash, A dash. Okay, after doing this, the subsequent steps are very standard step for any problem. Okay, the next standard step will be draw locus lines through B1 dash and B2. So this is the locus of B dash. On each one, on this only, the point B dash, the other end point in front view must lie somewhere on this. Same case here, this is the locus of B, on which only the point B, small b, must lie somewhere on that line. Okay, the next step will be with A dash as center, A dash B2 dash radius, draw arc and get the intercept on this locus. Mark this point as B dash. Okay, so again I repeat, the next step is Next step is with A dash as center, A dash B2 dash as radius, draw arc and get intercept on the locus. Mark that point as B dash. The next step is draw line joining A dash B dash, nothing but the final front view for this particular problem. Now if you see that the length of front view is equal to A dash B dash is also equal to A dash B2 dash. So the length of front view A dash B dash, the length of front view is also equal to A dash B2 dash also. Okay, now the front view is over. Now let us see how to get the final top view or final plan. For that, the procedure is with A as center, A B1 as radius, draw arc and get the intercept on this locus. Mark that as B. Again I repeat, with A as center, A B1 as radius, draw arc and get point B on this locus. The next step, draw line joining AB, that is nothing but the final front view. Again if you see here, the length of top view small AB is also equal to the length AB1. Okay, then now you obtain the final front view and final top view. As the final check, you have to draw a projector from B dash that must pass through B. Then only your answer will be correct. Suppose if it is not lying, the point B is not lying on the projector drawn through B dash, that means you made some error while measuring or marking length or angle. As the final step, draw a projector through B dash. It must pass through B. So this is the answer for this particular problem.